just to recap, Amazon DynamoDB is a fast, high performance, cost effective, serverless NoSQL database that can scale on demand to support virtually unlimited number of read-write operations with response times under single digit milliseconds. And with DynamoDB Accelerator or DAX, you can bring down these response times further into microseconds. Before we get into hands-on exercises, let's quickly compare SQL and NoSQL terminology. In SQL, we have tables, and in DynamoDB, we have tables as well. SQL tables have rows and columns. DynamoDB tables have items and attributes. SQL tables have primary key that can have several columns, whereas DynamoDB tables have a primary key that can have minimum 1 and maximum 2 attributes. The mandatory attribute is called as a partition key and the optional attribute is called as a sort key. Again, in SQL, we have indexes, and in DynamoDB, we have local secondary indexes. In SQL, we have views. In DynamoDB, we have global secondary indexes. Now, what are these local and global secondary indexes? Local secondary indexes are the indexes where the partition key is same as that of the primary key, while global secondary indexes are the indexes where partition key is different from that of the primary key.